Use is not only tragic, it's expensive, costing billions in healthcare costs, treatment, and lost productivity.
And that's why so many companies conduct drug tests on new and current employees. But those tests only work if there is no cheating. Tonight, Dwayne Pullman investigates a product that allows addicts and users to cheat the drug test and shows us why experts say it could have deadly consequences.
It looks like the real thing, but this is synthetic urine.
It's sad, but brilliant.
Spectrum Labs makes Quick Fix, a leading synthetic urine. Based in Cincinnati, the company calls its product a novelty. Other makers claim they're selling fetish urine.
Sterile fetish pee.
None of the manufacturers claim their products are made to be used for testing.
Definitely seen this one before.
But drug testing companies like Fastest Labs say addicts and users are buying synthetic urine for one purpose.
To fake a drug test.
Inside the box,
Wow.
a bottle of urea that matches the ingredients, pH, and gravity of the real thing.
They are able to get it pretty close.
The instructions tell you to microwave it, heating it between 94 and 100 degrees.
So it is literally explaining exactly what we do when we're running a drug test.
After that, the instructions call for attaching this heat pack that's included to hold the temperature. It even has a temperature strip, just like the one on the collection cup at the lab.
Yourself are able to read it and know when the right time frame is to go in and take the test.
We asked Brandy Brewer, owner of Fastest North Cincinnati,
All right, so let's see how they do.
to check whether the synthetic urine passes for the real thing.
That's kind of where the magic is happening.
The result? The synthetic urine was not flagged and no drugs were detected.
Negative, 16 drug families, temperature and range. They passed.
It's just reprehensible.
Dr. Laura Yard, the director of addiction services at the Lindner Center of Hope, works with addicts to recover and reclaim their lives.
If they relapse, how important is it to know early that that happened?
Very important. That's one of the things that we use our urine screens for, is to let us know if there is a relapse.
Synthetic urine, Dr. Yard says, could lead to a deadly outcome.
So if people decide to submit fake urine, that makes our job harder, and it also, this person is at risk for an overdose and death. So this is a life and death issue.
While the Lindner Center watches every collection closely,
So you do it with camera here.
Yes.
at most labs, there's only a quick body check,
Perfect, good to go.
while the individual produces a sample behind a closed door.
You can set it right on the tray out here.
That means everyone, from employees to addicts, patients to parolees, can cheat the test using synthetic urine.
It happens all the time, unfortunately.
At least 18 states, including Indiana and Kentucky, ban the sale or use of synthetic urine for drug tests. Ohio, which is still suffering from high numbers of overdoses, does not.
It makes me feel like this needs to be made illegal in Ohio.
Sought the seat in the legislature.
Republican State Senator Teresa Gavarone agrees.
I was surprised at the number of other states that had already taken action on this.
So Senator Gavarone introduced her own bill that makes the manufacturing, selling, and use of synthetic urine for drug tests illegal.
My bill makes it a crime to use these kind of products to, basically falsify a drug test.
And Senator Gavarone's bill already has the support of Ohio's Speaker of the House, Larry Householder.
That's just pure fraud.
No one from Spectrum Labs, the Cincinnati company behind Quick Fix, has returned numerous calls I've made and emails I've sent. If Senator Gavarone's bill passes, Ohio will finally join a growing number of states cracking down on people cheating the drug test. I'm Chief Investigative Reporter Dwayne Pullman.